Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about exterior angles in a triangle. Students, normally we focused on angles which are located inside the triangle. Angles those are located inside the triangle, they are interior angles of the triangle. Here, angle A and angle B and angle C are interior angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C are interior angles as they are located inside the triangle. But here we are going to discuss about exterior angles. Exterior means those are located outside the triangle, are exterior of triangle. Here, if we extend BC, then there will be another angle formed outside the triangle, that is ACD angle. This angle is formed by the vertex C and the side AC and the extended side of BC. Here, ACD is an exterior angle which is formed by the side AC with the extended side BC at vertex C. Here, if we extend the side AC towards C, then we can find another angle which is also formed outside the triangle and its name is BC. You can write it E. See here, BCE is another exterior angle which is formed by the side BC with the extended side AC at vertex C. Students, DCE, look carefully, the angle DCE is an exterior angle or not? Students, angle DCE will be not an exterior angle as it is formed by the both extended sides. Okay. One arm should be the side of the triangle and the other arm should be the exterior side of the triangle. But here both the sides are the exterior sides. Both the sides are extended towards D and E. So this angle is not an exterior angle. Students, there are three conditions to be an exterior angle which you have to remember. Those are, first condition is it should be formed on the vertices of triangle. Exterior angles should be formed on the vertices of a triangle. Second condition is it should be located outside the triangle. As the name says itself, exterior angles means it should be located outside the triangle. Students, third condition is one arm should be the side of the triangle. One arm means a triangle has two arms. One arm, sorry, not a triangle, a angle. An angle has two arms. One arm should be the side of the triangle and the other arm should be the extended side of the triangle. If both the arms are extended sides, then there will be not an exterior angle created. Okay. Now students, let us create another exterior angles on the vertex A. Here we extend the side CA towards F. Then we will find here an exterior angle which is BAF. As it obeys the first condition of an exterior angle, that is it should be formed on the vertices of the triangle. Here BAF angle is formed on the vertex A of triangle ABC. It also satisfies the condition number 2, that is it should be located outside the triangle. BAF angle is located outside the triangle. And as it is an angle, so it has two arms. One arm is BA and another arm is AF, which is the extended side of CA. So BAF is an exterior angle of this triangle. Now to create another exterior angle on the vertex A, we have to extend the side BA towards A. This will be an exterior angle as it follows all the conditions. Condition number 1, it is formed on the vertex A, which is the vertex of triangle ABC, and also it follows the condition 2, it is located outside the triangle, and also it follows the condition number 3, that is its one arm is the side of the triangle, that is CA, and another arm of this triangle is AG, which is the extended side of BA. As it follows all the conditions, so it is also an exterior angle. Can you say FAG is an exterior angle or not? Although FAG is formed on the vertex of A, it follows the condition number 1, and also it is located outside the triangle, so it follows the condition number 2, but it does not follow the condition number 3. That means its both arms are the extended side of this triangle, so it is not an exterior angle. Like on vertex C, here also we find two exterior angles on vertex A. So students, how many exterior angles you can form on a triangle? If we can find two exterior angles on a vertex, then how many exterior angles can be formed on this triangle? As there are 3 vertices of a triangle, we can find here 6 exterior angles like this. By extending the side CB towards B, we can find here an exterior angle which is known as ABH angle. And by extending the side AB towards B, we can find here another exterior angle which is known as CBI. But students, remember that HBI is not an exterior angle. So in this triangle, you can find 6 exterior angles, 2 on vertex A, 2 on vertex C, and 2 on vertex B. Students, remember all these things. In the next class, we shall discuss about a property of exterior angle. What is the definition of an exterior angle? An angle which is formed by a side of the triangle and the extended side of the triangle at one vertex or at a vertex which is located outside the triangle. This angle is known as exterior angle. If you remember the 3 conditions, then you can say the definition of an exterior angle. Okay? Thank you students. Keep learning. Bye.